Hello and welcome back. Welcome back to another video. Today I would like to show to you our double pre-pinching plate rolling machine. This is a NC type plate rolling machine. You have to roll one shell. Machine remembers how you roll the shell and it repeats it as it is. You just press the start button and machine starts automatically rolling. As you can see, the machine is doing the edge bending or the pre-bending of the sheet. In conventional machines, these edges are flat, so either the sheet is first pressed in a hydraulic press to bend those edges, or the edges are eventually cut. But in this machine, the edges are automatically rolled in the machine itself. You don't have to use any another machine, or you don't have any wastage. As you can see, automatically the complete roll has been made. Even this topping was done automatically. Now, as we can witness, the complete roll has been made in very less time, and we can see the perfection of the roll. We have pressed the home button, rollers are coming back to their original position so that we can remove the shell. Now we will open the swing arm so that the shell can be removed easily. Usually we prefer to give an attachment for removal of the shell, or we prefer to use a crane to remove the shell for easy removal of it. Now we can close the swing arm with just click of a button. As we can see, the shell has been rolled with perfection. The edges are proper round and their shell is looking in very good shape. In this video, it is important to note that the shell rolling and the edge bending has been done automatically without manual intervention.